This is Math 99. This is from section 7.1. This is problem number 29. And we're just supposed to simplify this. And the question is about, like, how do I go about factoring this? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for something I can factor out. I notice these all have an x in it, and they're all divisible by 2. So I'm going to actually factor out a 2x. And so divide each of these by 2x. So if I do that, what's left here is a 2x squared, and then minus 5x, and then plus 3. And notice what I can do now is then I can factor what's left over. Like I have this 2x, and then I can factor this. Similar thinking down here, these all have an x in common, so I'm going to factor out an x. If I factor out an x, what's left here is a 2x squared plus x, and then minus 3. And so let me keep going from here. So I have a 2x. I need to factor this 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. So I know it's going to be a 2x and an x. It's going to be negative, so it's probably going to be both minus. And I want this to come to a 5, add to a 5. So I'm going to make the 2 multiplied by a 1, negative 1. I'm going to make the 1 here multiplied by negative 3. Notice how that multiplies to positive 3, and this is going to add. There's a negative 3x. There's a negative 2x. That's going to add to negative 5x in the middle. So I have the 2x that I factored out, and then what's left, this quadratic factors to 2x minus 3 times x minus 1. And similarly, I'm going to do something with this denominator. There's an x, and I want to factor what's left. So I have a 2x and an x. I want this middle to be a positive 1. So I'm going to split up this negative 3. Again, that middle is what makes that middle term, that multiplication. If I make this a positive 3 and this a negative 1, those multiply to negative 3, and then notice I have 3x minus 2x equals 1x. So this part factors to 2x minus 3 and an x minus 1. Oh, sorry, that's 2x plus 3. That's what I was freaking out about, and an x minus 1. All right, so then now I have this, so let me see what's left. This is a 2x minus 3, this is 2x plus 3, so that will not cancel out, divide out. That divides out to a 1. This x divides out to a 1. So what's left is 2 times 2x minus 3 over 2x plus 3. And I lost a little bit of information, so I'm going to say x cannot be positive 1. Hope that helps.